Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a video on the slime kit, and please ignore this mess. Okay, so I got a slime kit which gave me this crystal glue, this DIY crystal activator, these foam beads, but they also sent me these glitters right here. But वो डब्बे में खुल गया, like look at that, all messy. And I'm gonna making slime in this one, and I don't have anything other bowl some sort, so I'm gonna be making slime in this one. And yeah, let's, what should I do? I don't know. Okay, let's do it. I'm not oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, all cleaned, back to normal hopefully. Okay, I'm gonna put the glue in this thing. I'm making a foam slime first, as I have given us lots of foam here. And yeah, adding more glue straight away. Okay, now let's add this DIY crystal activator. I really don't know it's this activator is strong or weak. I'm just gonna put this much, and okay, it is activating for sure. It seems like this activator is pretty strong. Yes, I'm gonna keep it onto the table. Guys, one thing, this slime kit is only for 300 rupees, and for 300 bucks or rupees, I think this is a good place to get it. But one thing, they need to improve their package, because the glitter is very pretty and it falls onto the box and it's like really messy. Moreover, the activator, glue and foam beads are really adapting to each other. As you guys can see, it is sticking in it really well, and it's like a really good foam slime. And I'm also gonna be adding, actually I'm gonna also gonna be adding these, because cleaning my container. Okay. Oh god, the kneading of slime is the worst part to do, because it just takes a long time. And guys, I made a lot of slime, like you guys can see the size of it, but a lot of glue is left. Like look at that, almost more than half is left. And in the activator nothing is gone, I think just like few drops. So this activator is pretty cool. You can use it on another, you can get more glue or white glue and use it as a slime activator, because this is really strong and nice. I think it's a sodium tetraboric, which is a complete pure borax powder, I think. Okay, the foam beads are not coming off, because it's taking foam beads pretty well. Even though I really want the slime to be a color, I really don't have any food coloring. But okay, I'm gonna show you the ASMR now. Look at that. Okay guys, now I'm having an idea to make a clear slime out of this glue and everything. So let's do it. Okay, here's our container, here's our glue. This is so clear. Oh god, I love the glue. Look at that, it's so clear. Very nice glue. Oh god. Okay, hopefully this activator doesn't fall up. It started coming together pretty well. Okay, the good part of the strong activator is that guys, it just make your slime less bubbly. Like it's not gonna be having a lot of bubbles, even though if you have a weak activator, it make it a lot bubbly slime, because you have to knead it a lot. That's the problem. You guys can see it's like coming together with few drops of it, and it's working pretty well. A bit more, a drop more, I think. That's it. Mix. Now I have to knead this a lot, not a lot but a little bit, because to make it less sticky and adaptable for my hands. So yeah, I think I overactivated it, but see the ASMR. Wow, so pokey. The slime is pretty thick, a little jiggly, so that is why. But it's like freshly made, that is why it's a little overactivated. But although it's like really good with its texture and everything, we still left more than half of the bottle. Like look at that, more than half. I can make some bubbles with this. It's pretty thick. It like seems like almost like a store-bought slime. So guys, अभी मुझे लग रहा है I need to add more glue, because I kind of overactivated the slime. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be adding this glue right here and mix it. Hopefully it makes my slime stretchy and nice. Hopefully when we do this, we don't need to add more activator, because already over activated होती है आपकी slime. But हो सकता है if you add a lot of glue, you need some activator. Look at that, it's pretty cool. And I'm also having not a lot, a little bit, like this much clay, and I think this is not gonna be turning into complete butter slime, but it's gonna turn this slime into a color, and it's gonna make it thicker too. So yeah, I'm gonna just take this much and see how it's turned out. It's not gonna be clear anymore. It's very pretty though, pretty pink. It's having a lot of chunks in it. The glue. I was thinking to add the whole thing, this whole thing, and see what happens. I think it's gonna turn it thicker, but hopefully it's not gonna making it activated, because it's still, it's very much activated. Wow, I love the color. I love this color. Oh gosh. But I really don't know, I like the foam one more better. I don't know, it just makes it more noises, and yeah, I really don't know, but I love that one more. So here we go to the end of a video. I hope you guys like, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you want more such videos, just comment down below. I'm gonna be asking everyone to comment down, please. And thanks for watching. Bye.